Good morning, kindergarten. I'm so excited to talk to you today about math, and we are talking about one of the most exciting things in math, and that is about partners. We have talked a lot about addition and subtraction stories, and we even used pictures to help us to know how to write equations for those stories. And so we're going to do something similar today, except instead of using pictures to help us to build equations, we're going to use the use of partners to help us build equations. So I'm going to show you a couple examples right away. But before we do that, I want to remind you what we always do when we are doing our math job on our math trays is put our numbers in order first. So if you are here in class with me, if you have not yet put your numbers in order on the top of your work tray, then please do that now. If you have, I should see your hands in your lap. Awesome work. Okay, so we have our numbers in order. Let's touch and count together, starting with the first number. Put your finger on the first number. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Way to go. Let's play a quick game of matching a number to a group of objects. I'm going to pull down a number card, and I want you to show me that many manipulatives or that many counters. And go. You can show this to me in any arrangement. You can show it to me in a row. You can show it to me in a column. You can show it to me in a group. I don't care. However you want to do it, whatever arrangement you want, but it has to be this many objects. Here's our number. Show me this many counters. Wow, super great, kindergarten. Nice work. I saw some friends who did this. One of my friends in the back row decided that she wanted to use a 5 group plus one more. 5 and one more is 6. That was super smart. I saw another friend who decided to do this. 3 plus 3 equals 6. So 3 and 3 more is 6. Awesome work. Okay, let's do one more. One more of building a number. I want you to show me this many counters. Go ahead and show me this many counters. If you are at home and you don't have counters that look like mine, or you don't have number tiles that look like mine, you can easily make those number tiles by yourself. You can grab a piece of paper or whatever you have to write on and cut them into 10 pieces and then write numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can also use whatever you want for counters. They do not have to look like mine. You might use buttons. You might use pieces of cereal. You might use little toys. I'm not sure. Whatever you think would be great for counters is awesome. So find things from home that would work for you. Okay. I'm looking around and I see lots of smart friends doing some smart jobs. I saw some friends who did an arrangement that was in a group that kind of looks like this. I like this one because it kind of looks like a cube a little bit. And we have 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. If 3 plus 3 equals 6, then I can count on and start with 6. 6, 7, 8, 9. And so we know that that's 9. Super job, kindergarten. It's time to build some partners. This is my favorite part. All right, kindergarten friends in class. I'm going to show you a number, and I'm just going to put that number up top, and then we're going to use our smarts about partners to build an equation. I'm going to give you the first one as an example so that you know what to do, but I would love for you to go ahead and build it with me on your own math trays so that you get some practice. We're going to start with this number right here. Everybody, what number?
7.
Yes, 7. There's our 7. And then right underneath our 7, I'm going to put this new math tool that we have that's called a break-apart stick. What is it called?
Break-apart stick.
A break-apart stick. And the break-apart stick is how we know which counters go on this side as one group of, or one partner, and what counters go on the other side to make up the other partner. The break apart stick just helps our mind to remember that there's two partners. Okay, this is the number 7. Here's the easiest way for me to build my partners. Check this out. I'm going to take some of my chips or some of my counters or whatever you have at home that you're using, and we're going to put them on both sides, but we're only going to have 7 altogether. So count with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, but now I'm up to the 6, so I'm going to put the rest over here. 4, 5, 6, 7. Kindergarten friends, how many do I have all together? 7. I have 7 all together. But that doesn't tell me what my partners of 7 are. I'm looking for some friends who can show me what my partners of 7 are. Okay, yes. Great. My friend in class just told me with his math talk, he said there are 3 on the first side. So we would use a number 3 to represent that partner. Plus, there are 4 on the second side. So we would use a 4 to represent that partner. I'm going to try to make it so you can see this a little bit better. Okay? Do you agree or disagree? Awesome. I'm seeing lots of I agree. This is our sign that we use in kindergarten to show that we agree. So if you agree, great. I'm seeing a couple friends who are a little bit nervous about that. They're a little confused. Okay, what do you think? What do you think?
I'm not saying it.
Why?
I'm just doing that because I don't think it's right. It should have called on him. He may have known it.
Oh, maybe so, huh? Okay, here we go. I think they're being silly. I think they really agree, but they're just being silly. All right, kindergarten friends, say the expression with me. 3 plus 4 is the expression. If we say it in an equation, it says 3 plus 4 equals 7. Awesome job. Let's do a new one. Let's do another one. Oh, this time I think I'm going to put my mask on, and I think I'm going to have one of my friends come up and help me build this one. Oh, I hope it's somebody who's been using their manners. Oh, I hope it's been someone who's been waiting their turn the right way. That would sure be great. All right, kindergarten friends, look at the number that we're using this time. Everybody, what number?
5.
Yes, 5. I'm looking for a friend who can build that partner on their own mat, and then I'm going to have them bring up their work mat to show us what they're learning. Go ahead and show me on your own tray how to build this number. Get it? Okay, I have one of my kindergarten friends who's going to bring up the tray for me. So, can you bring me your math tray, please? And he's going to stand next to me, but he's going to go ahead and tell the class what he did. Okay, go ahead. Tell us what you did right here.
I did 2 equals
2 plus.
3 is 5.
Okay, can you show me the 2 numbers that you need to use to represent those partners?
2.
Okay, can you find the 2? Where's the 2 on your tray? Awesome. 2 plus, how many over here? 3. Let's put it down here so it's next to the plus sign. Does that sound good? I have a question for you. How do I know that this is 5? How do I know that that's 5? What strategy could I use to find out that that is 5? What could I do? pick a friend to help us figure out what could we do if we don't know if that's 5 or not. What could we do? What could we do?
You can just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I love the idea. He said you can just touch and count them. So we're going to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do we have 5? Yes, we do. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Awesome job. Thank you, sir. That was lovely. Okay, new number. We have time for one more today. Okay. I would love you to show me partners of, let's do a different one. Partners of 4. So we know that we're going to be using 4 as our bigger number, but I want to see what 2 numbers work together as partners to make the number 4. Oh, I'm looking to see who I can pick that has their tray ready to go. Oh, I've got lots of good options. Ooh, this is going to be a hard choice. Let's see here. Ooh. I'm looking. The reason I picked this friend is because she even had her numbers ready to go. She had her counters and her numbers ready to go. I'm going to organize this a little bit so that we can see clearly what you've got going here. Okay. On hers, we see that she has both of her numbers. Her partners are right where they need to be. She also has her top number, number 4, because that's how we know what partners we're building. We're building partners of 4. Can you tell me about this? What do you know about this?
There's 1
There's 1.
and 3.
There's 1 and plus 3, and that equals how many?
4.
4. What should we do to find out if you're right? What should we do to make sure that that's 4? You tell me. What do you think we should do?
We can count them.
We could count them. I think that's super smart. Kindergarten, touch with us. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus 3 equals 4. So 1 and 3 are partners of 4. Great job. Nice work. All right, kindergarten friends, that was it for this lesson, but we are going to work a lot more with partners. You can practice building partners at home if you want to. You can build partners of 1 or partners of 2. You can build partners of 3. You can build partners of 4. You can build partners of 5, and you can keep going if you really want to. But remember, a partner is when one partner and another partner work together to make a bigger number. So thinking about those addition skills as you're working with partners. We'll see you soon.